So much money wasted. So many device-rendered paperweights. After Niantic released an update to Pokemon Go April 10th and April 16th. Oh, not that one yet. The update not only killed their own, but it killed all the Go-tchas and all the Brooks and all the Megacom devices. So what's gonna happen? Well, if you see right over here, you see it's still working for me. You see a little ball right there? It's still working for me. I fixed it this morning, and I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it in this video. So April 10th and April 16th, Niantic released updates for Pokemon Go that rendered all those devices I showed you earlier useless. All expensive paperweights. Even their own Pokemon Go Plus. Now, from the reports that you could see on the screen now, that was a mistake. They didn't mean to do it. So you can expect the update to come very soon fixing that. In the meantime, I thought about it last night. When did this all happen? Before I read this report, and it hit me. I know how to fix it. So this morning, I put it all together and bam, it all worked. It works. Now, before Niantic makes the 10th and the 16th update mandatory, you're going to be able to use this update. And now I would assume they'll make the next update, I'm sure coming in a few days, mandatory as well, which fixes it, all of it. But anyway, in the meantime, you guys don't have to be left all alone like I felt all alone. But so let me show you how to fix it. All right, so as you can see here on my phone, if I go under settings and Pokemon Go Plus, I don't have anything there. There are no devices. I can press every single button on these devices. Not a single one is gonna show up. So what I did was, first off, I just closed all of that. Then I went to my settings and I deleted or uninstalled Pokemon Go. Uninstall, okay. Now don't freak out. Uninstalling it just means you're moving it from this device. It doesn't mean you're gonna lose all your data and all your everything. That's all stored up in the cloud somewhere in Niantic HQ. So when you're done there, you're gonna open up Chrome or whatever browser you use on your phone. And then you're going to go to apkmirror.com. I'll go ahead and put a link down below as well. I'll also have links to every single one of these devices, except for the one I shouldn't have shown you. That'll come in a little bit later on. But so that way you guys can check them out, purchase them if you like. They are my Amazon affiliate links. Don't worry, they won't make them any more expensive for you. They're regular price. So anyway, on APK Mirror, we'll do a search for Pokemon Go. Now, what APK Mirror is, it's a repository for every single version of an Android application. I'm sure there's one out there for iOS. I don't know it myself though. Okay, so now you can see here version 173, another version 173. We don't want any of those. What we want is version 0.171.4. So just go ahead, click download here and scroll down a little bit. And you're going to download one of these to either Armable or ARM64. Download whichever version works for your phone. And if you don't know, just download one, try to install it. If it doesn't work, that one doesn't work, do the same thing to the next. One of the two will work. For mine, the Google Pixel 3 XL, it's Armable. Scroll down and then click download APK. Download and open, install. Now here you may get some of those messages that you're choosing to uninstall from an external source or anything along those lines. Just click allow and accept and all that good stuff, and then finally click open and just put in all your info as you regularly would. You're a returning player. Choose whatever method you used to sign in originally. All right, so now we're logging in. allow at all times, the regular stuff you would do. And then here you're gonna get all the notifications and all the everything on stuff that you've already done, but we're gonna skip that for now. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn off this stuff. And then go all the way to the bottom again, go to Pokemon Go Plus. And now look at all those devices pop up. They didn't show up anymore. So now for me, it's connecting to my Megacom dual CatchMon, which I love this thing, but when it worked for this guy, it worked for all other devices. So it will work for you as well. So I just click on here, turn it on, Pokemon Go Plus enabled. All right, so we're connected. Next, got it. And bam, we are connected in Pokemon Go, as you can see on the screen, and everything's working fine. Now, I don't believe that Niantic is going to force the latest update till they fix the update. So it's gonna work for now. I hope that it's fixed on the next update, but if it's not, like you saw it here first, guys, I'll let you know as soon as I get it. All right, guys, Iggy out. See you guys.